So we are now on our first example sa ating lecture. So we have vector A is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. And vector B is equal to 5i plus 2j plus 6k. So find the scalar dot product of vector A and vector B and cosine theta. So let's proceed to our solution. So for the scalar dot product of our two vectors, the vector A and the vector B, we have the formula the A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So the value of our A1 is 2 times the value of our B1 for the vector B is 5 plus A2 negative 3, then B2 which is 2 plus A3 4 times 6 our B3. So the value of our scalar dot product, vector A and vector B is equal to 10 minus 6 plus 24 is equal to 28. So nakuha na natin yung ating scalar dot product ng ating vector A and vector B. Now we will now proceed to our cosine theta. For the value of our cosine theta, we have our formula. The scalar dot product is equal to the magnitude of the two vectors cosine theta. So hanapin muna natin itong magnitude ng ating dalawang vector. Kasi itong part na to is meron na tayo, which is 28. So the magnitude of our vector A, so the square root of 2 squared plus the square root of negative 3 plus the square root of 4. So the magnitude of our vector A is equal to 2 squared plus negative 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to the square root of 29. And for the magnitude of our vector B, so 5 squared plus 2 squared plus 6 squared is equal to the square root of 65. So magnitude A is equal to the square root of 29 and magnitude B is equal to the square root of 65. Now we will get the value of our cosine theta. So again, using the formula, vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cosine theta. So 28 is equal to the square root of 29 times the square root of 65 cosine theta. Therefore, cosine theta, ito ilagay lang natin sa baba ng 28. So 28 all over the square root of 29 times the square root of 65 is equal to the 0.28 6, 4, 5. Or theta is equal to the arc cos of 0.645 is equal to 49.84 degrees. And that's how you solve the scalar dot product of our two vectors for example number 1.